In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Find My iPhone in 2025. This is a handy feature if you're planning to sell your device, send it in for repairs, or simply no longer wish to use location services. We'll walk through each step together to ensure your Find My iPhone is successfully disabled. Firstly, begin by accessing your iPhone's settings. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your device. To find settings, look for the grey gear icon on your home screen and tap it to open. Once you're in, you'll see a list of options. This is where the magic begins. Now direct your attention to the very top of the screen where your name appears. This is linked to your Apple ID, which includes all the devices associated with your account. Tap on your name to proceed into the Apple ID menu. Within this section, various settings relating to your account are available, such as payment details and subscriptions. But for now, what we're after is the option labelled Find My. Inside the Find My menu, you'll see a subsection titled Find My iPhone. This is where Apple enables tracking features to locate your device if it's lost. Simply tap on Find My iPhone to delve deeper into these settings. You'll typically find a switch next to this option. To disable the feature, toggle the switch from on to off. This action prevents others from locating your device using your Apple ID, but it's important to remember that this will also disable the activation lock, which means your iPhone won't be as secure if it's lost. So make sure this is exactly what you want to do. The final step is all about confirmation. Apple values security and privacy, which is why you'll need to enter your Apple ID password to finalize the process. This step verifies that you authorize the deactivation of the Find My iPhone feature. Input your password when prompted, and once finalized, Find My iPhone will be turned off. Remember, disabling Find My iPhone can impact your ability to recover your device if it's lost or stolen in the future, so weigh this decision carefully based on your needs. If you ever decide to reactivate the service, you can do so by following these steps in reverse. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this guide assisted you in managing your device's settings, and as always, feel free to revisit these steps if needed. Have a great day.